name is Sarah Beamer, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite online programs called Padlet. So as you can see here on my screen, I am on Padlet's homepage. So I just typed in padlet.com, Padlet, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for this free online program. And then I'm going to talk about how I use it with my fifth graders. So first thing you do is click sign up for free. And you can sign up with a Google account, a Microsoft account, an Apple account, or just an email. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. I'm going to use my student account. So you have two options for your membership. You can do basic, which is free forever, and it comes with 3 Padlets. Or you can go with pro with $8 a month and get unlimited Padlets. I would recommend when you're starting out just to go with the free and the basic until you get the hang of it. And then if you decide you want to continue, then you can always upgrade your account. So let's go ahead and choose the basic forever account. And then this is your beginning home screen. And because I chose to go with my Google, I'm already all set and signed in. So let's go over this home screen here. So these squares here are your Padlets. Okay, as of right now, I do have one Padlet that it gives me automatically, just so I can see what it looks like. Up here in the top corner are some buttons. So we have the plus sign, which is where you make a Padlet. This is where you can join a Padlet that someone else has created. This is the gallery, which we will cover in another video. And then if you ever choose to upgrade your account. Now, I just realized I never actually told you what I use Padlet for. So Padlet I use as kind of like an online bulletin board type thing where students can move some things around. It also can be used for like commenting and feedback. So I think once we start going into this, you'll be able to see what it can be used for. So we do have recents, and the only recent I have currently is the one that it gave me because I just started my account. We have made, where again, just the one that I have, or the one that comes with your account. If you shared your Padlets with anyone, or with me, and no Padlets have been shared with me, so it's like if somebody else created a Padlet and shared it with me so I could comment on Padlets I may have liked. And then what's really nice, and I think might be a workaround for that free 3 Padlets, is you can archive old Padlets so that way they're no longer active and people can't continue to comment on them. And then you have a new folder where you can create folders. So you can organize your Padlets for future use. Again, this only goes with the Pro though, because with the Basic, you only get 3 Padlets. So let's just go ahead and go back to recents and let's click on this Padlet. So this Padlet here it looks like the title bookmark. It has my name at the top because it's my Padlet. It has the title of my Padlet, and then it has just usually this is where I put directions. And then this is my wall here. So this just says bookmarks. If I want to change my title, I can click on the modify button and I can change the title to whatever I want. If I want to write favorite color, and I could change my directions. And then you could change all these other features, which I am going to go into more detail in another video. Okay, so we're just going to click save. All right, and then close. And so then it modifies it. When you want to comment on your Padlet, or if somebody else wants to comment on your Padlet, they would click on the plus button, and then they can make a title and their comment. And then after they've typed what they wanted to type, is click off. And then there you have this Padlet here. So let's head back to the home screen. Let's go back to Padlet. And I want to talk to you about the options. So if you go under Make a Padlet, you have several options here. And this is the part that I really want to cover in this video. You have a wall, which is basically the comments just set up as a wall, like a brick-like wall. So they just plop on there. You have, as the picture shows, you have a stream. And this is a lot like your Facebook stream or like your Instagram. So it's just one long top to bottom stream. You have a grid, so you can arrange your stuff in rows of boxes. So if you notice here, it just rows, and it doesn't matter if one box is bigger or smaller, they stay in the same row. This is a shelf, so this is where things stay in columns. We have a back channel, which is where you communicate. Basically, it looks like chat boxes. There's a map aspect, so you could put a map on there, and then you could have different points on the map. A canvas is basically kind of like brainstorming, so you just have your items there, and then you connect them, and then you have the timeline option. So these are the basic options of Padlet. Going back to the main page. And then as you make your Padlets, they will appear in your recents. And remember, your basic version your basic free version is 3 Padlets. And then when you're done with your Padlet, you can always just archive it. So, oops, I opened it. If I wanted to archive this, click the 3 dots and archive. And then now this is archived and I have no current Padlets. So I hope this is a really, this gets you interested in starting with Padlet and giving it a go. Always just try it out, see how it works. And if it's something you like, then awesome. So in the next video, we'll actually be creating a Padlet, and then I'll talk about some ideas on what you can use Padlet for in the classroom. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.